Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, it's my first shopping vlog. I'm taking you with me guys because I need a lot of things for Christmas. And guys, I'm at HomeGoods. As you can see, they have all the variety of good stuff guys. And after HomeGoods, I'm going to Burlington and Sam Club. And sometime during this week, I'm going to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, TJ Maxx, and at home. You guys don't want to miss everything that I buy for Christmas to make my small apartment look so luxurious. HomeGoods is extremely packed with some great stuff guys. They have so many beautiful things and the price is good too.
I wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell whenever I upload a new video. You will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, vlog, product review. Guys, if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you guys and keep on watching.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
guys, that's it for this video today, and guys, make sure to stay on the look because you know, after my shopping I always do my huge haul. And thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.